Understanding different types of prompts. Generative AI can be directed to perform various tasks depending on the type of prompt used. Prompts can be basic, like asking a direct question, or complex, like providing detailed instructions for a specific task. Let's look at different types of prompts, such as instructional, conversational, and task-specific prompts. Output examples. Instructional. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert sunlight into energy. Conversational. I'm an AI, so I don't have emotions, but I'm here to help you today. Task-specific. Cybersecurity is essential in today's digital age due to increasing threats to sensitive data.